Welcome to Nifty Trades YouTube channel. So we'll discuss what happened in the market today and what is expected from the market tomorrow for Nifty and Bank Nifty and Reliance. So what we had told is that we have to give a market for some time so that we get to know the direction and go the trade accordingly. But market never gave a direction and it remained whole day sideways and it was a writer's day. It was not people are not able to take a trade on either direction. Market was moving randomly here and there, and it settled. No, not much difference, right? So market just like that, it is there wherever it was. So what is expected tomorrow for Nifty is that above this 22,170 is a bullish. If a green candle closes above this one, we can expect market going up. So it is very simple. Above this green candle closing, we can definitely expect market going up. That is the first scenario. The second scenario, if there is a gap up, either it is getting rejected from here and coming inside, or getting rejected in this trend line, and getting rejected forming a red line. Probably we can expect the market giving 100 points coming and just breaking this, and again market shooting up actually. So this I could see the one possible trade if it is rejected at this point or this trend line, we can go for short and we can hold it till the low today's whatever the low it is there, right? So we can expect the low market coming and touching it. That is the only thing I'm seeing a trade, second trade. The gap down scenario is possible only if red candle forms here, gap down, and red candle forms below. We can go for short. Otherwise, we are not seeing any short scenario. Concrete gap down short scenario here. Probably like there could be a gap down, but might get bounced from here actually. So very simple. Above this one, by getting rejected short or getting rejected near the trend line short. If it is a gap down, above this one bounce buy. If it is rectangle forming below, short. So these are the trades that are possible tomorrow for Nifty. Bank Nifty, we were expecting market to form same like Nifty, but never gave any pattern. It was moving randomly here and there, and no trade possible. And tomorrow, coming tomorrow, if market gap up opens and 49,700 above, a green candle closing, gap up and closing, we can expect market going up. That is one. If it is gap up, too much of gap up till here, we can expect definitely a short that is coming down again, market. So above this one, flat opening or a gap up opening, closing above this one, we can expect market going up. Or if it is getting gap up of this around for 50,000 getting rejected, we can go for short. Definitely a red candle below today's low, we are expecting a short. So these are the three scenarios for Bank Nifty. Reliance, yeah, since the overall market was behaving random here and there, so we cannot see a clean trade for Reliance as well. So tomorrow again the buy is only possible above this point. Today's high or this point 29.55. If the market gap up and opens above this one, well we can go for look for buy. Otherwise we have to look for only sell scenarios. Similarly to Nifty and Bank Nifty, if the market gap up opens and then forms a red candle below this one, go for short. Can expect 20 points below this. So these are what all today and what we are expecting tomorrow from the market. So you can put a like to this video and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching this video.